Today we'll be test driving this 1965 Mustang. Come take a ride with me. So this Mustang right here, this is a complete rotisserie frame-off restored car. You are not gonna find a nicer one than this. And it's a factory rally pack. Now this car has factory AC in it, and it's still ice cold. It's better than brand new AC, to be honest with you. Brakes, I mean, it's just a classic car. You can't really get any nicer than this. Over 80,000 has been spent on this restoration. Now I'm selling it for 60. So who's really the winner here, all right? But think about it. You go buy a brand new Mustang, top of the line GT, what do those things run? Almost 100 grand, 80, 90,000? You can buy one here for a lot less than that, and you'll get more looks in this car than any other car, than a brand new one. People get to compliment you, they want to take pictures with it, and the best thing about it, they don't lose their value. You may be able to sell it for more than that. Now we live in Corpus Christi. For a lot of you guys that are watching that don't live here, these streets are horrible. This is about one of the smoothest driving classic cars I've ever been in. I mean, you think, oh, this looks nice. Go to my website, check out the pictures. Everything underneath this car is pretty much brand new. This thing drives so smooth over these horrible streets of Corpus. Now, this car is equipped with the 289 4-barrel. This is not the 2-barrel, this is a 4-barrel, so it's got more horsepower. And like I said earlier, it's the factory rally pack, so this tachometer on it is extremely rare. But right now, we're gonna take it up to speed for you guys. Let's see how it runs. My clutch driving was not that good on that start. But here we go. Here we are, third gear, 60 miles an hour. We still have a gear left. Now I don't want to push it too hard because I haven't drove it in a while. But that's the best thing about this car. This car has literally been sitting in my showroom. I take it outside and fired it right up. You cannot do that with any other classic car. I mean, if you haven't owned one or experienced one, you don't understand. If you let these cars sit, they fall apart. And this one, it's a turnkey, ready to go. I got all the documentation to it, everything, dating back from the mid 70s, I believe, or late 60s. I have documentation from it. AC's ice cold, no overheating. I do need to put gas in it, and it does need an owner. That's where you guys come in. Now, the best thing about this car is that it is a 4-speed. It's not an automatic. This is a car, you can drive it like the way it should have been driven back in the 60s. This is a true American sports car. Brakes work perfect, turn signals work. This is a car you can just hop in and go. And we ship it all over the country. I can help you locate some shippers and get it straight to your front doorstep. You don't even have to come over here and see us. So if you like this car, message us and we'll get it to you.